What's up, everybody? Tobias here. I just freaking reacted to that freaking life-changing video. No, I'm just kidding. It's not life-changing. This is freaking glass-shattering, though. Okay, so this is a theory video on Five Nights at Freddy's 4, or the things that I think. Okay, keyword think. I'm not saying that it's actually happening. You know, I'm not behind this whole thing. I mean, I wish I was. I'd be teasing you guys like crazy. Okay. Basically, my first theory is we are an obsessed child. Okay, why this? I'm feeling like if this person that we're playing as is actually like a little child, and that child just loves Freddy Fazbear's Pizza Place. Okay, that's why we're thinking, what if, my house, it reminds me of how everything looks like. Why not pretend that my house is like Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, the place that I love? It's part of what the kid is thinking. Now that segues to this. This kid probably witnessed the bite of 87. So that's why this child is thinking in his or her mind, I used to love these things, and now that I just witnessed a bite coming from an animatronic that I dearly love, I feel like these things are giving me nightmares. Segueing to another thing, that this entire game might be a child's nightmare, an eternal nightmare that you feel like it's going through 5 nights, but in reality, it's only in one night. You're imagining all of this, and then whenever you would quote-unquote die, it's kind of like you wake up from that dream, but that disrupts everything else, because you might unravel something meanwhile you're in this nightmare. Man, I just thought about something. Maybe you're getting to a really good point, and that's another thing. I'm really, kind of thinking, is there gonna be some type of phone guy here? If you look closely, I think that I see when you're in the child's room, you can see that whenever he goes by, you see like a toy phone. I don't know. I think that's just me thinking it. I mean, I did see like a purple fan on top of the closet though. That was kind of interesting. Purple, and it's a fan. Purple guy's a fan of this kid. And also, 8-Bit Gaming has released a video where I completely skipped the part where they would react to the trailer because I was scared as hell. And then when I saw that the trailer was being like a little bit teased in there, like, oh, this part happens in the trailer, I was like, I'm just gonna listen to it. So they were saying that this might be the green shirt and blue jeans kid. I mean, they made a very good point, or I think it's Razbowski that made a very, very good point, where this is just an obsessive way to play as if this is the actual Freddy Fazbear's Pizza Place. Like, this person is clearly obsessed, that they just think about it way too much, and now it's in their head so much that they can just see it clearly. Like, I can imagine about something right now, and I can kind of see it distinctively. But this person is like clearly seeing it, and it stays there. Another thing is, I thought it was pretty interesting. We might be playing as a purple guy, but as a child. Maybe that little plush trap thing is actually real. Like, he purchased it and put it on a chair, and said, okay, let's pretend that this thing moves. Because I think that by that time, I think this will make a pretty good point, but by that time, the animatronics can move around until they're shut down. Like, I think it's near the time of the bite of 87. And you know what? That kind of brings me to, when is this what time is this located at? Like 1987, 1982 is what some people were thinking, because in the source code of the latest teaser it says 2093, and so if you divide that by 1 or subtract that by 1 for everyone, it I don't know. I think it's divide every digit by 1 and then it will give you like 1987. I gotta make sure about that. I might not be right. Okay, guys. Sorry. I mean, let me check here on the calculator. I'm actually gonna do this. Okay, let's put 2093. Okay, oh no, wrong. 2. Okay, that's 1. No, it's not coming up. Well, sorry about that, guys, but I think it's in 8-bit gaming videos. In 8-bit gaming's video, you can see that, you know, they were talking about something, that if you do something with it by 1 on each of the digits, it turns out the entire number is 1982 or 3. Alright, so I really want to know what you guys think. Like, what's your theories? What do you guys have for theories? Please comment down in the description below. I'll be posting another video like this probably tomorrow. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.